Hey everybody, it's me, Uncle Greg, aka the Free American Spirit, and today we're broadcasting live at our beautiful studios located in the Walmart. Just kidding. Why am I at Walmart, you may ask? Well, I wanted to try out the Cryto.com prepaid credit card, which I did a video earlier, and so we're going to go in there, see how it works, and then later in the video I'm going to go ahead and get on the computer and show you some more benefits. Remember, unlike a regular prepaid credit card, this is tied to an exchange where you can use multiple cryptocurrencies, to activate this card or fund the card or whatever you call it. So let's go inside, see how it works, and I'll get back to you in just a little bit. Thanks for watching. Oh, and we got to hear a word from our sponsor, and don't forget, there'll always be a link in the description. So if you want to support us, check it out. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, my prescription's ready. I'm down here at the Walmart and I'm going to give this cashier who I caught on tape as soon as I can figure out how to switch this camera around. How do I switch my little thing around? Why don't I switch?
Just tap the button in the bottom.
Yeah, I'm looking at the button in the bottom. What is see, it used to be right here. Okay guys, let me figure this out and then I'll give it to her and I'm going to give her a surprise. Okay, so I'm with Alexandra in the Walmart. That's her over there. What do you think of this, Alexandra? A metal crypto card. What do you think?
Never seen
Very
one,
cool.
so we'll see how it goes.
All right, cool. Let's see if it works. We will put the chip in like that. And what's it going to ask me to do here?
Should just ask you.
Would you like cash back? No. I don't have a PIN number because it's prepaid, I don't think. But if I do...
if it asks for a PIN and you don't have one, you can just hit other.
Just hit other, okay.
You can sign.
Sign for purchase. Please
it
wait.
May not make you.
Approved, thank you. And there it is, just like that. I've used my crypto. With Miss Alexandra says I'm good to go. Just like that. Alrighty. Alrighty then. So you can see how easy it was to use the Cryto.com prepaid credit card. I just loaded it up with some money from my XRP. I came here to Walmart. I will have to apologize. I was a little nervous, filming in a Walmart. It was very loud. I thought I knew how to use my camera and switch the screen, but apparently that little button disappeared for some reason. It worked 5 minutes ago, but anyways, a little shaky, a little loud. Apologize for that. But let's go back to the house and I'll get on Cryto.com, and we'll show you some of the more features of this card that people have asked me. And then I'll put a link down in the description where you can get your very own and make 50 bucks off it, as well as support my channel. So let's do it. Christmas. Why are they selling Christmas shoes in the middle of October? That is weird. Hey guys, I'm back at the compound, so to speak now. Sorry about all that confusion in Walmart, but I have to change from the phone to the GoPro now. I don't have a little tripod. This is makeshift, so bear with me. So at Walmart, you can see down here, I've already got a notice saying we spent a bunch of money over there at Walmart, a whole $1944, and it's already emailed me from the app that, that transaction took place. So here's the app right here. I put a little bit of money on here, so I should show you some things. But what I like about Cryto.com is the reason I use it. Gotta put in the old password. You can't see that. Okay. What I like about Cryto.com is, which I'll have a link to it down in the description, it's actually a whole exchange. So I can track, different earnings right here. See, these are all different coins. I can put ones up at my favorite, which is nice. I can go back to my wallet. Oops, my wallet. In my wallet, I can put money from my bank in. I can buy, sell, pay, or transfer cryptocurrencies. As you can see right now, I've got $266 worth of USD. But what that's doing is it's showing I got a little bit of their MCO coin. This is actually from when I staked coins. I got 5 of them as interest. So they have a staking program. I had already used the coins that I staked my card with, which ups my benefits. And then once the program ran out, I got the interest and I went and cashed those out. I bought a little bit of Ripple, so I would have it. You can see Ripple's up 4% and at 4.5%. I got a dinky little bit of Bitcoin left. I just tried to send some money over to my Cash App card, which is Jack Dorsey's card, which I'll go over later. That's not a big deal, but if you like Bitcoin, you'll like it. But with this card, you can use all kinds of different, what do you call it, cryptocurrencies. So if you go back over here, you can see that they have different things. You have your fiat wallet, you can transfer funds. Go back here, you have, you can track them, you can earn on this program, unlike staking. Or excuse me, unlike borrowing, you can just stake some coins up and earnings will be added every 7 days. They're all different. But I mean, look at some of these percentages. You'll get 6% on Ripple annually, Ethereum 4%, Litecoin 6%, Binance Coin 8%, Chainlink 8%, USD Coin, which is a stable coin, 12%, Paxos 12%. I mean, no bank is ever giving you that. You're lucky. We used to get toasters and stuff opening up a bank account. Now you don't even get that. Now you get negative interest rates. So anyways, if you go back over here again, I just wanted to show you how easy this thing is. You can spend money with your crypto card. You've already seen my wallet. So with my crypto card, I can top it up. It shows me that I bought Walmart. I topped this up by selling a little bit of that little Bitcoin that I transferred over just to do it. I don't have much Bitcoin, but I use it to show things like this. But I could use my XRP or whoever, or I could use USD that I sent from my bank. You know, there's different limits and stuff. So the way they make their money is they don't charge you to like exchange cryptos like a fee, but they charge you, you know, on a spread like any other exchange does, like Binance or whoever. And of course, if you use your prepaid credit card, they don't charge you to put money over there, you know, or trade in your XR, put money over there, but they make a little money when you use it. You know, they make a couple percentage points. So each card, depending which card you have, your benefits are a little higher. So what that means is if you have the really highest card, you may pay a little bit less, or you might get a little on, or excuse me, you may pay a little bit less on your card, or you may get a little bit more on it, like a staking program. And I believe not only with the staking program, somewhere in here, they actually have like loans. So I don't know where that is, but you know, it could be in this, earn interest. Yeah, so you have a staking where you lock coins up, and then this is, in this one, I guess, I'm really not sure because I don't really do any of these, but you can check all that out. Get on their website. I'll have a link down in the description, you know, and you can get on there. That free referral right there, if you use my referral thing, see, I've already earned 50 bucks. Somebody used it. I don't know what the 29 cents is for. Maybe I'm making interest on the 59 or 50 bucks. Oh, wait a minute, cash back. I got cash back because I used it. I just saw it. Where is that? Come on, go back. Go back, my little buddy. Go back. Yeah, so I got a $50 from somebody, then I got a, oh, card cash back. I see. I got 29 cents from that purchase that I just made. So they charged me whatever percentage, but then they gave me 29 cents cash back. What a good bunch of guys. Just like any other credit card. But anywho, back to this $50 referral. So if you use my little special code there, and you actually go to one of the cards that are, you know, not the free one. They have a free one where you don't have to stake any coins. You can get that, but the benefits are less, and you don't earn as much on things. And the allotments, or how much you can put on there, are less. So as you go up in value in card, you know, your spending power increases, your percentages on how much you get back for staking or whatever increase. So I got 50 bucks, and the person who did it got 50 bucks because he went up and staked coins, you know, I think on the second card up. Doesn't matter which one you stake coins on, so everybody seems to do the lowest one next to the free one. But they hold them for 6 months, then they pay you, you know, interest on those for holding them, and then they're released and you can sell them. So that's what I was telling you, you know, back in the, when I was looking at my wallet and stuff, and it was telling me, or somewhere in there I was looking at it, where it was telling me, you know, I had 5.2 coins, you know, and that was because I staked stuff. So there it is. So I had 5.7 because when I staked my coins, I sold them, I got that. And now it breaks up between that 265. It shows me I got that much in Ripple, that much in Bitcoin, you know, and it's also how much is on my card. So everything is all kind of tied up together, so you know exactly what you're spending. So it's a real simple program, goes right on your phone. I'll have a link to it. You know, you can just sign up and not use my special code, but if you're going to get a card and it's not going to be one of the free cards, and you know, use my special card, support the channel, I'd appreciate it. If not, just use the Amazon link down there and buy something on Amazon, whatever you want, because it won't cost you any more, and that'll support the channel. And if you're just a normal guy and have no money like me, then don't do anything, just enjoy the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. You know, look at the, you know, all the little ins and outs of it when you read the fine details of what they pay you and whatnot. But for me, you know, I typically don't like prepaid credits. I'm really not comfortable staking stuff for a long time, but I did stake it. They did pay me. You know, I am going to use this because, you know, I would rather use this when I'm on a small trip and take this card versus my regular credit card. You know, my regular credit card gets ripped off. They can really wreak havoc, you know, with identity. If this card gets ripped off, you know, $1,000 I put on it or whatever. I mean, even though this has a much higher limit I can put on there, you know, I don't need to put that much on there. I can put $1,000, go on my trip or wherever, $500, and go on my day trip or whatever I'm doing, shopping, and it's great. And it's also great because, you know, if your kids don't have credit, or you know, you don't want to pay money to send them, you know, money orders and that kind of stuff, you know, just load your card up, give your kid your card, he can use it. And you saw how easy it was at Walmart and, you know, Alexandria. You know, I talked to her a little bit. I said, hey, do you know anything about cryptos? And she's like, no. I said, you ever seen one of these? She's like, no, I didn't even know you could do that. So it's really kind of interesting. It's a nice metal card. I think it's worth it. So that's my spiel. I'm going to let you go. I hope that you have a great rest of your week, and I hope these markets keep staying in the green. Till then, see ya.